Welcome to Passive Income Publishing Academy. I'm Ahilan from the Self-Made Entrepreneurship channel. Would you like to learn how to make money online from a self-publishing business that makes money for you month after month on autopilot? Make money while you sleep or travel the world. Work anywhere around the world with a secure Wi-Fi connection and just watch your money come rolling in. I want to show you the formula I use to generate me thousands of dollars per month passively. I've had months where I've generated $5,000, $7,000, and even $8,000 completely passively. My course is the most up-to-date in the space. This isn't some basic publishing course like the others. My course is designed to teach you how to monetize publishing books online and maximize your profits by using strategies that are solely focused on making you the most amount of money with the least amount of effort. This is truly the greatest time to be alive. Self-publishing is the fastest way to generate passive income and scale your online businesses. Whether you're a student, single parent, or someone who wants to escape their 9-to-5, self-publishing is your route to freedom. In this course, I will teach you everything you need from A to Z. No guesswork required. Everything taught is a done-for-you system that has proof of concept. You just need to follow my instructions in order to achieve success. My course is the ultimate all-in-one package. There won't be any upsells for any other courses because this course contains everything you need to become a successful self-publisher. I cover how to make the most amount of money with Kindle ebooks, Kindle paperbacks, and audiobooks, and how to make money outside of Amazon. You get all my in-depth lessons and powerful strategies all in one course. I teach you how to outsource books, my amplified book launch strategy which keeps your book ranked high on the search engine from the get-go, taught nowhere else, how to find profitable keywords, how to penetrate saturated niches, where to get your premium covers designed. I give you my personal book cover designer, how to leverage Amazon marketing services, and how to find untapped markets, and diversifying your income streams so you make money from multiple sources. Never depend on one stream of income ever again. You will learn how to automate this entire process. You do not need any highly technical skills to do this. If you can turn on a computer and watch this video, you can make money online with self-publishing easy. For only a few $100, I teach you everything you need to know to become a successful self-publisher. Why trust me? I went from working a full-time 9-to-5, sometimes working 7 days a week, to making thousands upon thousands of dollars online completely passively. I wake up every day to hundreds of dollars in net profit, and I didn't even need to break a sweat or step outside my house. All this is done from the comfort of my home. This is a business you can work from home in your pajamas. No more early morning commutes and trying to beat rush hour traffic. I've had multiple best-selling books in multiple niches that have generated me thousands of dollars online passively. The fact is, self-publishing through Amazon is an incredible opportunity that can change your life. Amazon has done all the heavy lifting for you. They have millions upon millions of ready-to-buy customers' credit cards on file. All you need to do is implement my strategies and techniques in order to start making sales. You don't have to worry about inventory, logistics, shipping, or even customer service. That's all taken care of for you. It's as simple as following my methods and hitting publish, and you're on your way to making passive income. So, what are you waiting for? Do you want to change your life in a way you could never imagine? Buy Passive Income Publishing Academy now. Bonuses. When you buy Passive Income Publishing Academy, you get Bonus 1. Lifetime access to the Academy's private Facebook group, where you can ask any publishing-related questions and network with your fellow self-publishers. The group alone is worth the price of the course. Bonus 2 case studies included on profitable books, where I dissect the success of certain book brands and take them apart so you can emulate the same results. There is no other course on the market that offers this much value all in one course. A done-for-you system, lifetime access to a private Facebook group, and real case studies you can model. Also, any future course updates will be included absolutely free. Buy Passive Income Publishing Academy now and change your life forever.